Arrma Typhon Grom. Dun dun dun. Beautiful red. SLT2 radio. Same thing that comes with the Granite. Batteries, charger for the battery that's in the Typhon. Manual, tool, all that good stuff. Alright, that's all we need to see. Let's just go break it. Oh, he just rode a wheelie! Oh god. He's all over. Oh. Oh god.
Oh, landed. Landed the wheel through the hole. Look. Yep.
Oh yeah, here he goes. Whoa! Hey! This old Outcast remnants.
That's yours.
That's mine.
Yeah. Mine's over there somewhere. Or no, I think this guy's mine. No, this is
Alright, what's he gonna do? He's gonna jump up and he's gonna go.
Look at that.
Ding!
Right the rail?
Right that.
Crawler, look everywhere you go.
Yeah. Why not?
Here we go. Again, we gotta get this. This is gonna be sick if we got it.
Oh. Good catch.
Oh, trying to save your shock tower.
What's that?
Saving it?
A little more and we might have a full one.
Durability.
Let's see how strong this puppy is. Oh yeah, landed it.
This is my rear. Goodbye, your friend.
Drive forward. Yeah. Ooh.
Stumping. Stumping's girl.
Womp womp.
Yeah. To the moon. Oh. I shall do that to the moon and show my ass crack.
Oh. Oh, you're good. Drive forward. Drive backwards. Womp womp.
Durability test, come on! This is my signature durability test. It's just running straight into everything. Throttle's stuck, honest.
Shut him off! Shut him off! Throttle's stuck!
Oh, man.
Shock tower!
What'd you say, break it?
You already did.
Okay.
I think if you did that a little higher, you could probably get it mid-fence.
I can't. Ain't nothing broke.
Stick in the fence. Is all I want to see.
It's in the fence.
Throttle out.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, it just, the screw's gone. Wait, no, the screw's there.
The screws broke off inside.
Rudder just gone. Oh shit! I can't. This thing's so dinky. It's fun.
4-4 Typhon Grom. Getting the ever living shit out of it. Every time.
I can't.
I don't think anyone successfully went up that way.
Yeah.
No, I think the A-arm's going now too.
Really? Oh, I think you're good. Investigation.
Missing a screw in the front.
Right there. Anything else? Everything else looks good. That's just, you know, more movement in the suspension area.
Oh yeah, you know, it's like
Super soft suspension.
we're testing the suspension right now.
Yeah.
It didn't land.
Did the other side just break?
Yeah. No.
Oh, nice slap wheelie.
Call me crazy, but it handles a little bit better.
Oh, okay.
Because I did not mean to do that.
Oh, right through the middle. Oh, got it. Yeah. All right. Yes.
Damn. Ultimate torture test.
Oh, I love these things.
Poor little guy.
You know, the great thing is you can break them and still play with them.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Butterfingers.
Yeah, I wasn't ready for it. Stick your finger right there.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Right there.
I already know how that feels. I'm good. Are both broken now?
I think so.
Yep. Oh. This one's just a shot cap. I can't fix it, but
I can't steer.
Apparently that's a weak point.
yeah.
Shock tires.
Okay. All right. I think I've caused enough damage. Park the GoPro